Hello everyone and welcome to this new video from BIWay. If you're finding us for the first time, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with new videos from BIWay. In this new video, we will see how to use small multiples in Power BI. So let's get started. Small multiples split a visual into multiple versions of itself. The versions are presented side by side, with data divided across these versions by a chosen dimension. In this example, we displayed different versions of sales amount by product category divided by continent. Currently, you can create small multiples on bar, column, line, and area charts. Let's create a new small multiples from scratch. We want to display the evolution of sales amount for each month, split by years. To get started, we will add a line chart visual. Then, we will add sales amount in the month. Then, we will drag the year field into the small multiples in the fields section of the visualization pane. The chart splits into a grid of 2 rows and 2 columns with the data divided along year dimension. The grid fills with the small multiples charts. They're sorted by your chosen sort order from left to right, then top to bottom. We can change the sorting of multiples by clicking on More Actions from the upper right corner of the visualization, then choose Sort Small Multiples, then the sort type. We can change the grid dimensions by clicking on the Formatting pane, then select the grid layout. Here we can adjust the number of rows and columns. Let's put, for example, 3 for rows and 1 for column. Then we can also change the color of background. Transparency, and show the grid lines. Good. We can also adjust the style and position of the small multiples title and the small multiple title card. We can change, for example, the font family, color, and text size. The last thing I want to show you is that we can add another field into the small multiples, but we will get more display grids. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, post them in the comment below. If you liked the video, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with new videos from BIWay. See you in the next video.